I'm going to be reviewing this Super Truck series, Diecast trucks. So they say die-cast, but really only the cabs are die-cast and these little cars. First of all, getting them out of the packaging is kind of a task. Right there, what you can see is a little screw. Oop, well, maybe you can see a little tiny screw. Come on. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That has to be unscrewed. And there are 6 of them, so 2 in each. If you're giving this toy as a gift, I would definitely recommend undoing the screws before gifting, if the kid is going to want to play with them right away. Because while they're not difficult to get out, in my opinion, well, okay, this screw's proving me wrong. It is a little time consuming to get out all the screws, and if I was doing it with my child around, he would not be the happiest, most patient camper waiting for his toy to come out. And voila! So it's a truck and trailer. And it looks like it spins all the way around. And it does pop apart. And then there's the 2 cars. And the parts move. So I really like how authentic they are. And I love that it has a little ramp for offloading these vehicles. And the other, oops, I'll set these aside. Here's our main truck. These are really super cute. I mean, you can even see inside. There's not really much to see, but it's very cute, and I really hope you enjoy these.